Hey guys, welcome back to Sunshine and Sparkles. This is Aishwarya. So today, as you can guess from the look, I am doing the Valentine's Day look. So since Valentine's Day is around the corner and a lot of you guys will be like getting ready for your Valentine, or a Valentine is not necessary that you may go out with a boyfriend or your husband, or you can just team up with your mother or father or brother, or of even a friend if you really want to, because Valentine is just about staying with those who you actually love. It's not necessary that it may be a boy or a man. So for that, if you really want to get ready and have fun, then do try this look out, and let's get on to the video. So for the first product that I'm going to use, this is a moisturizer and it's from Nivea, and this is their soft limited edition in mint. So taking a little bit on my fingers and on my hand and rubbing it between them, I'm just going to apply it all over my face. It is really necessary to give that moisturization to your face so that your makeup sticks on and it doesn't penetrate to your pores as much. So this is now absorbed in my skin and it feels really refreshing. Next, using a primer, I'm going to use this from Maybelline, and this is the Master Prime Mattifying Primer. Taking that on my finger, I'm just going to take a small pea-sized amount, take it on my other finger and start massaging it on my nose, starting from the middle of my face. So since this is a really affordable Valentine's Day look, so I'm using all the products that are really affordable for all of you. And if you think that buying them, or you don't have time, or you don't have a budget like this even, then you can go for substitutes. Even you can also use the moisturizer as the primer also, because it does act as a little bit of a primer. So we have spread the primer in really well, and next we are going to move on to the foundation. And for the foundation, I'm going to use it from this brand called Sugar, and it is their Ace of Face foundation stick in Irish. So let's apply this. So I'm just going to apply this on my face like so. Generous amounts as usual, and I'm going to take a sponge and start blending this out. So we are not going too heavy with the foundation. We are just trying to get our skin even toned. As you can see, this blends out so beautifully. It doesn't take much to blend it out. So I feel that every corner of my face is blended now. Next, moving on to the concealer, I'm going to use this from Sugar, and this is the Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer in Chocochino. So this is a bit of a lighter shade so that we can give a little bit of brightness to our under eyes. We are not going to apply too heavy, we're just going to take a few dots, like that's it. Because we don't want to go too heavy with the makeup, we want to keep it natural enough. Even this concealer blends out really nice. So as you can see, my dark circles have brightened up. Next, we are going to take the same concealer and just cover up a few dark spots if we have, or the dark areas of our face. So my dark areas are around the mouth, so let's cover that up as well. blend out the concealer really well so that you cannot see any harsh lines, or you cannot see that there's a different color altogether to your face. Now, taking a powder to just put it on your face and mattify the look, I'm going to use this from Sugar, and this is the Dream Cover Mattifying Compact in Corn Panna. It has SPF 15 in it, so it's a good choice for you, because obviously when you're going out and if it's daytime, it really helps you out with the sun as well. So taking it on a powder brush, I'm just going to apply it, dab it over. A little bit goes a long way, so do not go over the board with all of this. As you can see, my face is completely matte now, just how I like it. Next, let's get on to bronzing, and for that I'm going to use this Benefit Hoola Mini Bronzer. I'm going to take a contour brush, dip it in, and start bronzing up my face. So bronzing generally gives you a warm finish to your face, because the foundation makes it so even toned that you can't see the definitions of your face. So to create a few depths and definitions, you can go in for, bronzing just a little bit, so that it doesn't look too heavy but you have a cut to your face. As you can see, slowly you can start seeing a definition to my face now again. Next, moving on to the blush, I'm going to use this from the Contour palette, and this is a very deep orange color, as you can see. So taking the blending brush, I'm just going to dip it in, take that orange pigment onto my blender, and I'll just start patting this in on my cheeks. Next, let's move on to the eyes. So taking a little deep pink nude, I'm just going to dip my brush in it and start packing this up on my eye. And this is what I'm going for. Next, taking this shimmery gold right here on the palette, I'm just going to place it on the middle of my eye with my pinky finger and spread it a bit over the eyelid. This is the most I'm going to go with the eyeshadows. Next, I'm going to use a pencil liner, and this is by Maybelline, and this is the Line Tattoo Crayon Pen in dark brown. As you can see, my eye has a great definition as of now. And next we are going to move on to the mascara. For the mascara, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise, which is waterproof and keeps your lashes, hydrated also, which means that it's hydrofuge as well. So taking off the excess from the wand, just going to start applying this on my lashes. Wiggle the wand from your lower side of the lashes, taking it outwards. Do it to the outer lashes as well. Do not forget those, because those are the lashes that are going to give you the dreamy effect. And we are done with the eye makeup look. Let's move on to the lips. for the lips, I'm going to keep them bold, and I'm going to use this liner from Nykaa, which is the Lips Don't Lie in the shade Lover Boy. So let's line our lips. So that is my lips lined properly. I like to go in thick because it gives me, the space, and I know that I can work in it. For the lipstick, I'm going to use this from Maybelline Silverstay Ink Crayon, and I'll mention the name of it like down below here. Is it gorgeous in color? So this dries in matte, and it is a really beautiful shade altogether. Next, moving on to the highlighter, and for that I'm going to use this one from Revolution, and this is the highlighter Reloaded and Raise the Bar. So this is a beautiful golden highlighter. So taking a brush, I'm just going to swirl my brush in it to get the pigment on. And looking in the mirror, I'm just going to highlight the higher points of my face, whether it be the cheekbones or the bridge of my nose or the tip of my nose. I so love how the golden looks. Next, to fix the makeup, I'm going to use the Matte Fix Plus Magic Radiance, and I'm just going to fix this all up. This feels very refreshing after putting on makeup. So let's just wait for it to dry it on, and let's move on to the final results. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, do not forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the updates. I post videos every Sunday at 6 p.m. Also, my Instagram handle is mentioned right here, so do not forget to follow me there for much more content. And this is me signing off. Bye.